Now see the next question. What could be the reason behind that? So what is the reason that the winds flowing towards Brazil is coming from south, east and northeast? So the reason behind will be the great escarpment. Understood? The reason will be the equator passes through northern part of Brazil. The low pressure belt is found near equatorial region in Brazil. Children, the equator passes through northern part of Brazil. Already we know that northern part of Brazil, the equator is passing through the northern part of Brazil. As a result, we know that there is deep dense forest and it receives maximum rainfall. So the low pressure belt is found near equatorial region in Brazil. The winds from high pressure belt from southern and northern hemisphere flow towards this region in Brazil. So the winds from high pressure belt from southern and northern hemisphere flow towards this region in Brazil. So what happened? The winds which is coming from high pressure belt from southern and northern hemisphere, it flows towards this region in Brazil. As it affects in the northern part of Brazil, the northeast trade winds flow. Similarly, in southern part of Brazil, the southeast trade winds flow. So both direction, from southeast and from northeast, the trade winds are blowing towards this part. So the reason is that from this direction, the winds flow towards Brazil. If you observe the left side of Brazil, that is totally land part. There is no oceans or sea. So if you observe the eastern side of the right side of Brazil, you can observe North Atlantic Ocean and Southern Atlantic Ocean. So here the southeast and northeast region, they are having trade winds and they are flowing towards Brazil. Come to your next question. What could be the obstruction in the way of these winds? Children, if you have studied your previous lesson, the great escarpment is there. The barrier towards this part is the great escarpment. So what could be the obstruction in the way of these winds? The great escarpment in Brazilian highland. Write down the great escarpment in the Brazilian highland. Understood? So obstruction in the way of these winds are the great escarpment in the Brazilian highland. So this is the reason of the obstruction in the way of these winds. Now come to next question. Which type of rainfall will occur because of these winds? Children, if you remember in your previous class, 9th standard, you have studied about different types of rainfall in your precipitation lesson. Orographic rainfall, orographic convectional rainfall, monsoon type rainfall. So these type of rainfalls are there. So orographic rainfall. Which type of rainfall will occur because of these winds? Orographic rainfall. So write the answer. Orographic rainfall will occur in because of these winds. Come to next question. Correlate these winds and rainfall. Now we are supposed to understand that what is the condition behind these winds and rainfall. So what happened? The winds which is coming from southeast and northeast part, so these winds, they brought rainfall. Because of the obstruction in the way of these winds are there, orographic rainfall is there. So what happened? Rainfall is due to orographic rainfall is there. So children, when the great escarpment and Brazilian highland obstructs the northeast and southeast trade wind, so the obstruction is there. So what happened? As it is effects, these winds move upward along the slopes of great escarpment and the Brazilian highlands. So these winds, they start moving upward along with the slope of great escarpment and Brazilian highland. At the higher altitude, the condensation process takes place. You know the meaning of condensation. And windward side receives more rainfall. You know, leeward and windward. Leeward and windward, the sides, opposite sides of mountain, and the clouds which face mountain, they brought heavy rainfall. If we'll take example of our country, if we'll go towards the Konkan region, Western Ghats, they receive maximum rainfall due to this obstruction of the mountains. So what happened? As a higher altitude, condensation is there, process takes place, and windward side receives more rainfall. Thus, windward side receive more rainfall. Understood?